Review everyone. Today we shall discuss exercise 4.6 question number 4. Say true or false two diameters of a circle will necessarily intersect. The center of a circle is always in its interior. Let us take one circle and let us draw the diameters, right? Two diameters we are drawing, right? Two diameters, right? One diameter is here and another diameter we are taking from here, another diameter passing through the center. Right, here you see that both the diameters intersect at the point at the center of the circle. Two diameters of a circle will necessarily intersect. That is true. That is, it is true, or it is always true. Right, the center of a circle is always in its interior. Right, you see that point O is always at the center of the circle. At the point O is always in the interior of the circle, not exterior. Right, the center of the circle is always in its interior. That is also true. Let us again say true or false. The two diameters of a circle will always necessarily intersect. That is, here you see one diameter. This is one diameter and this is another diameter. The diameters intersect at the center of the circle. Therefore, the answer is true. Right? Therefore, the answer is true. And the center of a circle is always in its interior. This you see O point is the center of the circle and O is always interior of a circle. Therefore, you can say that the center of a circle is always in its interior. That is also true. This is the solution of question number 4.